Master Japanese red meat cooking with these 7 recipes. Unlock incredible flavors and techniques with these 7 essential authentic recipes right now. Let's dive into Japan's ultimate comfort food, gyudon or beef bowl. Imagine thinly sliced, tender beef and sweet caramelized onions. These aren't just cooked, they're gently simmered in a fragrant, savory sweet broth, a perfect blend of soy sauce, mirin, and often a touch of sake or dashi. The magic happens as these simple ingredients slowly absorb the rich liquid, allowing the flavors to deepen and meld beautifully into a harmonious bite. Served generously piled over a bed of steaming, fluffy white rice, each spoonful is a warm, deeply satisfying embrace. It's a dish that proves simplicity, executed well, can be profoundly delicious and incredibly comforting. Pro tip: for that melt-in-your-mouth texture, slice your beef absolutely paper thin. Moving on to a dish that truly embodies togetherness and warmth, sukiyaki. This isn't just a meal, it's a communal hot pot experience, often cooked right at the table, bringing families and friends together around a bubbling pot. We start with thinly sliced beef, simmering it alongside silky smooth tofu and an array of fresh, vibrant vegetables like shiitake mushrooms, napa cabbage, and green onions. All of this cooks gently in a rich, sweet soy-based broth, a delightful mix of soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake. The beauty of sukiyaki lies in its interactive nature and the way the ingredients slowly cook, absorbing the aromatic broth and releasing their own unique flavors, creating a complex and satisfying taste. It's a warm, inviting, and incredibly flavorful way to share a meal. Pro tip: keep a close eye on the beef. You want it just tender, not tough, for the best texture. First up, we dive into the heart of Japanese home cooking with Nikujaga. This isn't just a stew, it's comfort in a bowl, a warm hug on a plate. Imagine tender slices of beef and soft, yielding potatoes, simmered gently in a rich, savory sweet broth. The classic flavors of soy sauce and a touch of sugar meld together, creating that uniquely comforting taste that defines Nikujaga. It's the perfect dish for those cooler evenings, filling your kitchen with a wonderful aroma and your belly with warmth. Pro tip for the perfect texture: make sure you cut your potatoes into roughly equal sizes. This ensures they all cook through at the same rate, giving you that consistent melt-in-your-mouth tenderness in every bite. Now let's fire up the grill for Yakiniku Japanese barbecue at its finest. The magic here is all in the marinade. We're building deep, irresistible flavor using the power of garlic and soy sauce, creating a savory coating that penetrates the meat. This isn't a step to rush. The secret to truly delicious yakiniku lies in patience. Allowing the beef ample time to soak up that incredible marinade is absolutely crucial for maximum impact. Pro tip: give your beef at least 30 minutes to marinate. Even better, an hour or more if you have the time. That dedication to the marinade is what transforms simple slices of beef into an explosion of savory, grilled perfection. Next up, we dive into crispy perfection with tonkatsu. This isn't just any fried pork, it's a meticulously prepared breaded cutlet, typically pork loin or fillet, coated in flaky panko breadcrumbs. It's then deep fried to a beautiful golden brown, achieving that signature crunch. Served with a rich, tangy, slightly sweet tonkatsu sauce, it's the incredible contrast between the shatteringly crispy exterior and the juicy, tender pork inside that makes this dish utterly irresistible. It's a symphony of textures and flavors in every bite. Pro tip: gently pounding your pork cutlet ensures even thickness for perfect uniform cooking. From crispy to sizzling spectacle, let's talk beef teppanyaki. This is more than just a meal, it's culinary theater right before your eyes. Watch as thin strips of premium beef hit the scorching hot griddle, creating that unmistakable mouth-watering sizzle. Cooked quickly and finished with a simple yet powerful combination of soy sauce and butter, it transforms into tender, flavorful bites. The performance, the flames, the sounds, the incredible aroma filling the air is as much a part of the experience as the delicious taste itself. It's cooking elevated to entertainment. Pro tip: getting your griddle screaming hot is key to achieving that perfect sear and locking in the juices. And finally, we arrive at Shabu-Shabu. The name itself is onomatopoeic, mimicking the gentle swish-swish sound the paper-thin slices of beef make as they're quickly cooked in the simmering, flavorful broth. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. You take these delicate slices, give them a quick dip in the hot pot for mere seconds until they're perfectly tender, then plunge them into your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a tangy ponzu or a rich sesame. It's interactive dining at its absolute finest, turning the table into a communal cooking station where everyone participates in creating their perfect bite. It's fresh, fun, and incredibly satisfying. Pro tip: remember, these slices cook lightning fast. Just a few swishes in the broth is truly all you need for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Ready to master delicious meals like these? With Watch and Know you can. With Watch and Know, master every meal. We bring the world's best recipes right to your screen. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen into a culinary adventure. Hit that subscribe button now, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest mouth-watering creations.